Teamwork, okay, good. Teamwork, engagement of people. Kita nak teamwork, ya. Kita nak competent people yang ada kompetensi, people yang competent. Kita nak empower people, kita bagi certain power to people. Kita perlu engage people, kita perlu involve people, ya, at all level throughout the organization. Yeah, so meaning to say that we have to make sure that every level of people in organization are involved. Yeah, are involved in activities within the organization. Okay, so it says here, competent, empower, and engage people at all levels throughout the organization are essential, are important to enhance our capability to create and deliver value. Okay, so meaning to say that we have to make sure that our people are empowered, our people are engaged, our people are competent, yeah, in order to create values out of people capability. Yeah, okay. So we need to involve everybody lah. Yeah. In our context, we are talking about we need to involve everybody in quality activities. Yeah. Anything that is related to quality. Okay. So in order to manage an organization effectively and efficiently, okay, so now you have your company already, you have your product, you have your company. In order to manage your company, effectively and efficiently, apa perbezaan? What is the difference between effectively and efficiently? Satu is effective, lagi satu is efficient. What is the difference between those two? What is the difference between those two? What is effective and what is efficient? Any response? In order to manage an organization effectively and efficiently, what is the difference between these two? Hello? Are you with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between effective and efficient? If you do your work effectively, apa maknanya? If you do your work efficiently, apa maknanya?
Effective is produce a result that is wanted.
Okay. Efficient? Effective, doing right thing. Chong, Chong. Effective, doing right things. Efficient, doing things right. That is a philosophy. Example, give example. Give example. This is correct. This is correct. Philosophically. But example, in order to understand, can you give example? This is correct actually. But example for you to understand the concept of doing right things and doing things right. One is doing right things, the other one is doing things right. Example? Hello? Efficient means produce desired result without, okay. Effective, yeah, doing things right. Efficient means produce the desired result without wasting material. Okay, efficient. Effective.
Effective is like she doing the thing only. But if efficient is their what wishes and straight to the point. Macam effective lah dia jual sahaja.
Dijual saja. Effective.
Without specific people. Maybe dia promote sahaja lah to everyone. Tapi efficient dia buat research macam ini product suits to old people dan dia
Ada kelas
promote
road.
kepada old people.
Nah, salah kelas. Hello, please, can you repeat? Sorry, telephone came.
Effective is like we
Okay.
promoting to everybody without specific people.
Okay.
Efficient is dia buat research, then maybe the product is suitable for young people, then dia buat promotion kepada young people.
Okay. Right. Macam mana kita nak bagi dia mudah faham Efektif. Ya.
Dia macam employee, dia boleh deliver satu report dekat department, dia tu efektif.
Okay.
Kalau employee tu dia came up dengan sistem yang responding email tu, efficient.
Oh ya ke? Macam tu ke? Ya ke?
Kalau came up dengan report tu efektif sebab dia ada semua benda. Kalau efficient dia came up dengan email sistem.
Okay. So, kalau kita nak fahamkan benda ni, ya, apa yang maksudkan dengan efektif, apa yang maksudkan dengan efficient, kita kena refer kepada vocabulary of the ISO. Vocabulary dia kat belakang ni. You tengok lagi nanti, you pergi kat muka surat yang selepas ni ada vocabulary. Ya, look at the vocabulary of the effective. Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan efektif? Apa yang dimaksudkan dengan efficient? Ya, page yang seterusnya lah, vocabulary. Tengok sini. Effective, efficient. Ada tak? Mesti ada. Term. Tengok sini. I think somewhere around here. Efficient, capability, requirement. Never mind. I think somewhere around you can refer kepada dia punya vocabulary, okay? Mungkin later when we talk about vocabulary, kita jumpa kat sana. Ya. Cuma nak bagi mudah you faham, to make sure that you easy to understand. Effective is you produce desired result, produce the right thing. Kalau kata kita nak report to by today, you can produce by today. That is effective. Produce the right thing. Kalau efficient mean kalau kita nak today, you can submit yesterday. That is efficient. You can save. Efficient. You can do dengan lebih efektif, dengan lebih efficient. Alright. So ni, you may produce desired result without wasting material. Okay. So that is efficient. You do it efficiently. Okay. Tak ada waste. That is effective and efficient. So in this concept, in this concept, ini process approach already. We are talking about process approach or not? Not yet, right? We are talking about here. We just not process approach yet. We are talking about apa tadi? Engagement of people, right? Betul. Engagement of people. So in order to manage an organization effectively and efficiently, it is important to respect and involve all people at all levels. Okay. So Lau Kasim, he found it 3.7.10 and 3.7.11. You can refer to that. Thank you, Lau Kasim. Okay. So recognition, empowerment, and enhancement of competence facilitate the engagement of people in achieving organization quality objective. So we need to make sure that every people are involved, every people are engaged in order to achieve objective. Okay, so that is engagement of people. So today we complete 3 principles, which is customer focus, leadership, and engagement of people. Any question? I think we better stop today. Stop here. And then you go back, you go back and you read, and first download the standard and print out. Make sure that you have your print out copy with you during the class. Both standard, ISO 9000 and ISO 9001. The one that I put in your online learning. Okay. All right. Any question? So you can read here what you need to do. Yeah. Possible action is communicate with people to promote understanding, promote collaboration, facilitate discussion. Yeah. This is about empowering people. So all those are the things that you need to do. Okay. Any question? Any question? I think if no question, I think that's all for today. Yeah. So please go back and study. Now we start. Go inside your gist of your course. Yeah. Which is the standard? Which is the ISO standard? Okay. All right. So if no question, I think that's all for today. Then today is what? Today is Wednesday, right? So on Sunday we will continue. We will continue to discuss on the principle, and then you make sure that you complete your quizzes, your quiz number 1 and quiz number 2. Yeah? Make sure that you will submit. You submit by 21st of March. Yeah. After that, we can discuss on your assignment number 1 already. Yeah. And then we'll develop. And if no question, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. Yeah. And see you Wednesday. And see you Sunday.
All right.
Make sure that you keep working on your quiz. Make sure you do it properly. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you. Nak scan? Nak scan lah. Okay, now you can scan. Boleh nampak tak? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Alright.